Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have to confess, we have an artist here I probably should know about, Chappell Roan. Actually never heard about her before. Have I been sleeping under a rock? I'm not sure, but she seems to be very big as an artist, a huge fan base, at least on YouTube, and probably every other platform as well. And yeah, this is about time to give Chappell plays here on Growing Guitar, and she does this song called The Subway. All right, great song, impressive hair. If you watch the music video, you know what I mean there, and fun song to play as well. So let's go into this tutorial together. We have a capo set on the first frets. That's the best setup for us, and I have a couple chords to handle here. So let's start with those. I'm gonna go into the A, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the next chord, which is the D major 7 sus2, a very long name for a short chord, and it's very simple to play as well. Open D, second G, second B, and open E. So that's the D major, right? Next chord will be the B minor, and that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And then finally we got the E. And E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have the chords. Now let's go into the strumming pattern. And we have a pattern that sounds like this. If you grab the A chord, okay, so that is what I think is the most fitting strumming for this song. And basically what that is to play down up 4 times. So down up, down up, down up, down up. The third down in this is the one you need to emphasize if you want to have the same rhythm going on here. And what I do, I play all the downs and ups on the mid and bass area, so around that area. Okay, but once I come down to that third down, I really incorporate the full chord and really get focus on the higher strings down here, all right? So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that is the best scenario for strumming. Now let's go into the actual song. Starting with the first verse, we have 2 string rounds on A, 2 on the D major, 2 on B minor, and 2 on E. You're gonna roll that corporation for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of A, D, B, and E, like this. Okay, 2 rounds, and that's the first verse. We're gonna jump right into the first chorus. It's just another day. That's where in the lyrics, 40 seconds in. What you're gonna play now is the D major, 4 string rounds, then A2 and E2. That's it. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So D major 4, A2, and E2. 2 rounds of that, and that takes us to the post chords part. Until I don't look for you. That's where on the lyrics comes right after the chorus. And what you're gonna play here is just 1 down on the following chords, the D major. And now I can see I forgot to mention 1 chord, and that is the D minor. So we have to go and get that now. It's played open D, second G, third B, and first E. You're gonna play 1 down on that as well, and then 1 down on the A. And you have pauses in between, okay? So imagine you played the D major for 1 string round, the D minor for 1, and A for 2. But you just played the first down in all these strumming patterns. That is the length of the pauses that you should be considering, okay? So the D major, D minor, and A. Again, down, down, and down. Gonna play 4 rounds of that. Now the fourth and final round. So major, minor, and A. And then starts the second round, the second verse. Okay, so from now on, pretty much repetition. Second verse, second chorus, and even the second post-chorus part played exactly in the same way. Same amounts, everything is the same. And after that second post-chorus part, you come into the final parts of the song, the outro. Okay. She's got away. That's where we are in the lyrics. And we're gonna play a total of 8 rounds, okay? So the first 6 rounds is to play the verse play. That means the strumming of A, D major, B minor, and E. That's the first 6 rounds. And the last 2 rounds is still to play the same chords as the verse, A, D major, B minor, and E, but you play just 1 down per chord. And once you finish that, guys, you have managed to play The Subway, a fun song to both watch the music video, but also play from Chappell Roan. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.